legendary wild dingo, the iconic kangaroo, vicious feral cats, the delightfully bizarre platypus, and the unmistakably cuddly koala. All call Australia home. One of Australia's most recognizable creatures spends most of its life hidden from view in the comfort of the gum trees it calls home. Found in eastern and southern Australia, koalas are known for their slow and sleepy leaf-eating lifestyle. Yet there is much more to the famed koala than meets the eye. Those that live in the cooler southern parts of the country can almost be a third bigger with thicker, shaggier fur than those that live in the warmer, more tropical climates further north. Fitting their surroundings perfectly, the gray and white of the koala's fur merges them seamlessly with the peeling barks of the eucalyptus tree. In open country, these agile climbers need to come down to move from tree to tree. Koalas have a range of sounds used to communicate. Males have a deep grunting bellow that will give away their status as well as their position. One dominant male will have a territory that includes the home range of several females. To all koalas, their highly developed senses of hearing and smell are their lifelines. The wild dogs that roam through much of the koala's range are a deadly threat, killing more koalas than any other predator. Although armed with sharp teeth and claws, a mother with her joey are no match for a pack of large dogs. Her strong limbs and grasping paws will have to carry them to safety. Unable to reach her high in the sanctuary of her gum tree, the dogs move on. Opposing thumbs on her hind feet, a split hand arrangement on her forefeet, and long, sharp, strong claws enable this mother to take her joey high into the comparative safety of the treetops. Koala joeys don't leave the pouch until they are 7 months old, and even then, they will often seek the comfort and reassurance of their mothers. They will sleep in her lap and take her milk until they are a year old, often disappearing back into the pouch and the safety that it offers, away from the trials of adulthood. Things are not always peaceful in the treetops. Rival males will challenge each other for territory. Fights can be brutal. Without territory, males can't mate. The night is shared with many other animals that are nocturnal by nature. Some of them more welcome neighbors than others. Pythons are a real danger to a young koala, and ever-protective mothers are on constant alert. Other nighttime tree dwellers do not cause such concern, more idle curiosity. The agile sugar glider enjoys feeding on eucalyptus sap, but at not much more than 100 grams, these shy little creatures are easily seen off. For an adult male koala, it is the other males that present much more of a problem. Living on toxic eucalyptus, the koala's phenomenal sense of smell can detect which of the many species they have a tolerance to. The chemical tolerance is passed on from mother to young, even before they fully emerge from the pouch. Perfectly suited to their highly specialized life, the koalas of the eucalyptus forests are one of Australia's greatest treasures. Dingoes have been in Australia for thousands of years. Descended from wolves, these agile canines are sleek and efficient hunters. Lithe, elegant, ferocious, and highly alert, these magnificent pack-hunting animals are Australia's largest land carnivores. Opportunistic predators, dingoes are flexible hunters and prey on birds, reptiles, kangaroos, wallabies, rabbits, and livestock. When livestock was brought to Australia in the 1800s, dingoes inspired the creation of the world's largest fence. Over 5,000 kilometers long, the dingo fence is built specifically to keep them away from prime grazing areas. Proud, majestic animals, they maintain pack dominance, hierarchy, and territory with characteristic efficiency. Their superb vision and incredible flexibility enhance their hunting prowess. Keen and intelligent hunters, pack size and hunting strategy are organized according to the prey they choose. Sheep are generally attacked from behind and are easily run down. Although livestock only accounts for a small amount of their diet, sheep are often killed or injured without being eaten. Once a sheep is chased down, a dingo may turn away and outrun another. Dingoes range over most of mainland Australia. In the alpine regions of Kosciuszko, they have a thicker insulating double coat and are slightly larger than those in the warmer, more northern parts of the country. In the parched, arid climates that can bake large swaths of the Australian countryside, conditions can be tough. A lone, drought-stricken, emaciated dingo finds it hard to survive. Access to drinking water determines where dingoes can live. In dry times, the liquid they gain from the bodies of their prey is an invaluable lifeline. Dingoes have a wide and varied prey range, but prefer medium to large mammals, which make up most of their diet. Although dingoes are very different to domestic dogs, they scent mark much in the same way, marking out their territories and defending them against imposters. Wild horses and dingoes are among the many animals drawn to the precious watering holes of the outback.